step into the GMC 2012 Sierra 1500 SL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include LPO tonneau cover, LPO assist steps, chromed tubular 3 inches round, engine Vortec 4.8L variable valve timing V8 SFI flex fuel, STD, fire red, dark titanium cloth seat trim, seats front 40/20/40 split bench 3-passenger, transmission 4-speed automatic electronically controlled, custom front bull bar with LED lights and 22-inch overhead rear entertainment system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's